Janvi Gupta and you all are watching Such News Network. Here's the big news. Jammu and Kashmir gets first golf training academy for common people. The first batch to young Kashmiris golfers is undergoing 15 days of training in a century-old heritage Kashmir golf course. In the first 15 days, training course total of 50 students of various government schools of Srinagar will take the training. Among them, 25 are girls and 25 are boys. Golf is made accessible to the common man. It is no longer the game of the elite. Dream of inclusive society being realized. First time in the history of Kashmir, which is considered the golf capital of the country and is having international golf courses, a golf academy is opened by the government for the government school children and golf lovers. Kashmir, which has hosted hundreds of international golfers across the globe in prestigious golf tournaments in the Union Territory in past, has never witnessed a middle-class individual joining the game. Even entering the golf course remained a distant dream for the common man Kashmiri in the past. But now the things have changed. Jammu and Kashmir government has made this royal game accessible to the common middle-class person of Kashmiri. The first batch to young Kashmiri golfers is undergoing 15 days of training in a century-old heritage Kashmir golf course. In the first 15 days, a training course total of 50 students of various government schools of Srinagar will take the training. Among them, 25 are girls and 25 are boys. The participants are excited and happy that they are playing the game which they know is only meant for the rich peoples, and are thankful to the government of Jammu Kashmir for providing them such a platform. Player Resha has to say, this is the first batch of golf from Kashmir. We were not aware of golf in schools. We have played first time golf, and this is the first batch of Kashmir golf was known as the royal game which belonged to the rich families. But now people belong to the poverty line will also play the game. We are very much thankful for the government who has given us this opportunity. Another player, Rihanna, has to say that we have heard this is played by the people who belong to the rich families. We have never thought we will play this game. There were all games in school, but golf was not there as we don't belong to the rich families. We feel very good that we are playing this game. We thank the government that they provide us this opportunity. Kashmir Golf Club is the one of the oldest golf clubs in the rich history. Also, it is the second only in the country after the Royal Golf Club in Kolkata, and is providing those students this training free of cost. From equipment to refreshment, everything is given free to them. There is a full-time coach training, and the eminent coaches of the country will come to help in the training to the first batch. Javed Bakshi, the MD Golf Development Authority, said, we have physically fit youth to play golf, so we thought of academy so that we can train people from this age so that they can play for the country at national or international level. The academy will provide them training in a professional manner. Golf is a game of discipline. It's a bit different game. That is why it is called an elite game. But we have broken that barrier too. This initiative is taken by LG. Further, he adds that government is having a huge plan to boost the sports activities in Jammu and Kashmir, a multi-pronged strategy of developing sports infrastructure, organizing sport events across the UT, arranging the best coaches continuously, monitoring and fully utilizing the assets has been prepared. Jammu and Kashmir is a powerhouse of sporting talent, and administration is working diligently in creating a flourishing sports culture and providing the right platforms to budding sports persons. At least 70 national level sports events will be held in Jammu and Kashmir alone this year so that the youth can get an opportunity to show their talent. More than 70 lakh children will take part in different sports avenues this year across Jammu and Kashmir. Prime Minister is also showing interest in the sports activities of Jammu and Kashmir and has given rupees 200 crore to enhance and upgrade the sports infrastructure of J&K under PMDP, that is Prime Minister Development Package. So this was all about Golf Academy in Kashmir. For more news updates, stay connected to Such News Network.